Hello, welcome back to Uncle Buck's Garage. Well, my sound went out, so we're going to do it this way today. We're going to change the speedometer cable, and the first thing I did was get rid of this lens because it's toasted. It's gone. I'm going to order a new one. So, what we're going to do is we're going to change out this cable, and the easiest, since everything was took apart, I could just take the dash gauge out, and this is the actual speedometer cable itself. And it's just held in by a little small spring clip on the bottom, and that's just how easy it pops off. You just depress it and it comes right out. That's all there is to it. And then we're going to go into the engine compartment, and that is where it comes through the firewall. Is between the windshield wiper and the master cylinder, and you can just basically pull it completely out, and it'll pull through that grommet, and you can take the new one and put it back in that grommet. Now what I did find is this, and we'll talk about this in just a moment. And so that grommet is just a regular piece of rubber, and that will fit right back into the hole, not a problem. And you just thread it up through there, and you just put it back in. There's no twisting, no nothing. It'll just spring right into place and lock itself into place. It won't go anywhere. That's all there is to it on this side. And then you can just put the instrument cluster back in place. It's that simple if everything's apart. Now, if there's the second way to do it, if you wanted to leave that in there and not move anything, and the whole dash is together and everything, all you basically have to do is get on your back, get in the floorboard underneath, and then reach up beside the steering column in the dash and feel for that clip. And it's basically the same thing. Just press that clip and it will unplug. And vice versa. Just whenever you put the new one in, thread the new one in through the hole and reach up in there and just put it in place. Like I said, there's no twisting involved. It will just go in very easily. This is what I want to talk about. This had a two-piece speedometer cable on it, and they suck. The design is terrible. They never work right. When you buy a new cable, buy a single cable, not a dual piece cable. And this is where it attaches to the transmission. It's on the back snout of the transmission, and it basically just twists in like a pop bottle cap. All right, and it is the original because it has a metal casing on the outside of it. For some reason, they came with a metal casing. The new ones don't. It'll just be a regular cable, and give me an opportunity to use my Robo Grip from the 80s. Works great for this. You're just basically breaking it loose and then going to twist it with your fingers off. Like I said, it's fine threaded, so it's going to take a bit of twists in here to get this off. But that's about it. You don't have to worry about any spillage or anything dripping out at you. Doesn't happen. And bring the new one around from the firewall and down through the engine compartment, and just make sure that it moves freely and that there's a little hole that this goes into, and you just slide it in the hole and then you just screw it back on. And that's basically all there is to it. You've just changed your speedometer cable, and like I said, it's fine threaded. It takes a little bit to get to it, but that's as easy as it comes. And that's all there is to it, guys. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Smash that button, hit that bell, and again, I get to use my Robo Grip. So y'all have a good day, because a good day today could be a working speedometer in the morning. Y'all be good.